Hi, so I am recording this to help anyone who's still stuck with Seesaw. I'm really hoping that this will help you as much as possible. I know that learning over the computer is just hard enough, and it's easier to learn in person, but hopefully, since we're all trying to get through this together, this video will help. So here is my screen right here, so you can see what I'm doing. I have Seesaw under my bookmarks, and I'll just click on it for you to see what I see, so you get a little understanding of that. So here is my home screen. I have 4 different classes, 2 of which are my obvious first and second graders that I am usually with, but I also have part of Miss Cabot's blue class and Miss Curley's yellow class. So the reason I am showing you that is that I see everything a little bit different than you guys. But for the most part, I'm going to show you, I guess, just some tricks and tips to get you started. So right here, I have their class journal. So under this journal is basically their folder. So here, for example, is Blake's. Whatever lessons they've been doing or whatever work they're posting, it's going to go right into this file and it'll be stored that way for me to see. So here's Caleb. He posted for math and he posted a picture with his work. And that is awesome. So let me just go to the activities. So everything on the activities, everything that you're seeing on this page that I'm seeing is also posted under your home screen. So for example, this is something that is a little bit of getting used to, but for now, they will be clicking on an overall subject to start with, and they will be responding to it, whether that be a picture from their work, like a math page or a journeys page, or whether it be a video or a picture, like I'm going to show you right here. So today I thought that we would just try to kind of get an understanding, an idea of what it's like to just respond on Seesaw. So here is the prompt for today was, "Good morning, what do you miss about school?" And below I can see the students' posts, but the student will not be able to see other students' posts. So it is just private for me to view, so you don't have to worry about any of the privacy issues. Your child is simply going to go to add a response. So if I go back, if you are trying to figure this out on your screen and you see this topic up here, you go to this green button, add a response. And let's just say that I'm posting for Michaela. You are going to see a screen that looks like this. For this one, they are taking a video because in the instructions it says select video to start recording. And once they hit that, if I click video, it has this little button that wants you to allow, and there I am on both screens. Yikes. So once they start recording, they'll push this blue button to start, and then to stop, they'll hit that same button. It doesn't have to be minutes long, it can be seconds, but anything to try to get just an overall idea of how to use this. All right, so that is from that. And it looks like I'm getting a warning that my video is about to end shortly. But we'll pick it up from this screen when it comes back.